Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error. Some settings are managed by your organization. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Before I am fixing this issue, I am showing the problem to you. Go to Start menu, click on Settings, and then click on Update and Security. Here in Windows Update, you will find the problem. Some settings are managed by your organization and I cannot update my Windows 10 computer. View configured update policy. And look here, your organization has set some policies to manage update. You have opted in for the Windows Insider program and policies set on your device. Notify to download updates, source administrator, and type group policy. That means there are some policies which prevent your Windows 10 computer to download and install update. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Close settings, insert, type GP edit, click on edit group policy. Local group policy editor has been opened. Here under computer configuration, expand administrative template and then expand Windows component. Now scroll down. Here you will find Windows updates and then you need to ensure that no policy is configured. Here I have a policy which is enabled, configure automatic update. Now right click on the policy and click on edit. Now click on not configured and then click on apply and then click on OK. You will find here another setting, do not include drivers with Windows update. Maybe it caused the problem. Right click on the setting and click on edit. Just click on enabled and then click on apply and click on OK. Now you need to update the policy. Right click on start menu, click on run and here GP update /force and then click on OK. Updating the policy. Now again right click on the policy again and click on edit and click on not configured and then apply. OK. And again right click on start menu, click on run and GP update /force, updating the policy. Now scroll up. Here you will find data collection and preview build and you will find here allow telemetry and the settings is not configured. Right click on the setting and click on edit. Now click on enable, then click on apply. OK. The policy is enabled. Right click on start menu, go to run and again in run type GP update /force, then click on OK, updating policy and again right click on the same setting and click on edit, click on not configured, then apply and then OK. Now close local group policy editor, click on start menu, go to settings, click on update and security and look, now the error, some settings are managed by your organization is disappeared here and now the updates are downloading. Hope this troubleshoot has solved your issue. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.